What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. What do we have here? A notice. Please supervise your children. I think all Goodwills have that now. Gotta supervise the children, they're running loose. All right, we got our good luck cart. And you know what? I'm not gonna go to the media first. I always do it. I'm not gonna go here first. We're gonna skip it and go check out toys and then electronics. You know, one thing I've sold a couple times are penny boards, but this looks like a knockoff, and it is, and they're asking 10, but it is half off. Green is 50% off. It's actually green and yellow. Look at that. You can see two colors right there, green and yellow. So that's pretty nice. So this is only $5, but it is a knockoff. Oh my gosh, the wheels don't even spin. They're really gunked up. So we'll leave that behind. All right, the toy section. They have a whole bunch of things in here. Oh, there's a Goosebumps board game. That's really neat. I also see headbands. Certain headbands games, especially the adult ones, sell for crazy money. It's very surprising. Let's look up both of these. This is really cool looking. All right, so I just looked up the Goosebumps game and it's $3.99, so $4. And here it is, it's selling for $24.49. You'd make $14.95, that's about a $10 profit. It's not too bad, honestly. If there's not a lot of pieces to count, I think I'd do it. Looks like, yeah, just one board, 6 pawns, 65 cards. Super easy. We're gonna count it, see if all the pieces are in there, and hopefully it's a $10 profit. Let's scan this headbands game. There is a puzzle that opened up around it and spilt everywhere, but we're gonna have to count this, see if all the pieces are in here. It's half off, so it's only $2. I love that. Let's scan her in. We're using just the Amazon seller app to scan. And what do we have? Oh, this one's great. Headbands is very surprising. Here it is, the 2020 edition, and it's selling for $38, and there's no used sellers, and it's only $2. So yeah, we'll grab that also. We're gonna grab both these board games, and we are winning already inside this Goodwill. And it seems to be our lucky day because, oh my gosh, it is loaded with board games today. I also see some things here. 40th anniversary of life. I always look for these anniversary editions. They're surprisingly good. Now there's a lot of like mold on this or something, so I won't be getting it because I don't think I'll be able to clean that up. But let's look up the price anyways. All right, so I have it flipped over. We have our Amazon app. Let's open up the barcode scanner. And what do we have? Okay, so this one's not crazy or anything new. Oh, because this isn't the right one. See that? It's just the regular Game of Life. I'm gonna try typing it in real quick. All right, so I looked it up on eBay, and here it is, $22, $19. That one only $10, $25. So yeah, nothing crazy. So 40th anniversary, kind of a dud. We'll leave that behind. And now we know, we lock that in our brain for the future. What is this? Micro Macro Crime City. This looks really neat. I've never seen this before. Let's see, we'll scan this one in on Amazon. All right, we have switched back to Amazon. We have to open up that barcode scanner, and what do we got? Looks like, oh. Okay, there's two listings. This one has a better rank, so we'll go with this one. And $40, and there's no used sellers. You make 29. So we'll knock off a couple bucks, let's say 25, and this is only $4. Yeah, we're taking that. We are doing good. Ashley found a couple things she brought over here. This, which is a brand new game called 59 Seconds. Oh, I found that puzzle that opened and spilt everywhere. That's a shame. Okay, let's scan this thing in, see if we get lucky. All right, hit up the barcode. And it's not on Amazon, so we'll leave that behind. She also found this huge illustrated maps of the United States. It was normally at BJ's for $17.99, and it looks like it's from the 90s, so that's an old price. They have it for $6 here. It's massive, and there's two of them. Is there a barcode, though? That's the question for this big old map. Oh, wow. Yes, there is. Okay, let's scan her in. What do we got? Not on there. Let me check eBay real quick though. You never know. There we go. Scanned it in. Nothing on eBay either. It's really neat though. That's a great map thing, but no sales data on it. I think we're gonna leave it behind. All right, guys, so I've been scanning all of these board games up here, and the cart's looking crazy full, crazy full. Now, we do have a dilemma. I thought this was gonna be worth a lot. I'll pop the price up, you guys can see, but I noticed that all of these are a color, like yellow and red or whatever. So I tried to find the silver one and I can't find it. So I checked eBay and it's only selling for like 20 bucks over there. And it's $6 here. We'll open it up and I don't know what the difference is. It is complete in here, has all the pieces. Well, it did have all the pieces and everything is in here, but it's just not going for that much. Ashley actually found the pieces. Thank you very much. Yeah, you just pop them in there wherever they go. And we're missing one more. I dropped another. Yeah, I made a whole mistake over here. We gotta find it. All right, so all the pieces have been found. But yeah, I'm gonna have to leave it behind. It's only going for like $20 over on eBay, surprisingly. I don't know why. Maybe it normally had a slip cover on it. I don't know. But we're gonna leave it behind. It's very cool. But I did still find a whole bunch of cool things. We have Jungle Jive, this sort of monkey game, and it's $4. It's selling for quite a good amount on Amazon. A Rick and Morty Clue game for $2, which is a great deal. Hopefully it's complete. We haven't checked yet. A Harry Potter Scene It game, and for $6. But I'm pretty sure this was worth it. I think it's selling for like 30 or 40. And this Monopoly right here, this version is $4 for the House Divided. And take a look at this. Sealed. Still brand new sealed on the inside. It's a shame because the box on the outside's in rough shape, but because everything inside's brand new, I'm definitely gonna grab it. Also, I've never seen this version of Guess Who before, Mix and Mash. And guys, when I say Guess Who is a big bolo on Amazon, it is $4, but it's half off, so it's only $2. Take a look at the price on this. It sells really well, and there's a lot of other Guess Who's that sell for really good money, so I always look them all up. I also found a brand new Sudoku game. Sudoku? And $3.99. Yeah, I think it's selling for $25. That's easy, it's brand new sealed, I love it. Now I'm gonna put Ashley to work and she's gonna count all the pieces for me. That was a terrible sound, they just spoke over the loudspeaker. I'm gonna put Ashley to work. She's going to count all these pieces for me because she's amazing. And I'm gonna go on the other side and see if I can find any more board games. Ashley is over here counting everything for me, doing a really, really good job. And so far we have 3 that are good. The Monopoly that was sealed inside the box. This which had like 8 pieces, and this thing that's sealed. So yeah, we're not that far, but she is counting all of these. We already had to put back the Macro Crime City because it is missing a lot of pieces. And the Guess Who Mix and Mash is also missing some pieces. So that's not good odds, but that's why we are counting these first here and making sure all the pieces are in here. I'm gonna go look around more of the store and see if we can find anything else. Oh, look at all this interesting art here. Does anybody like a sad woman clown? Oh my gosh, are there 2 of them? Nope, one's just plain. It's a little creepy though. All right, definitely don't need any of that. Let's loop around. All right, let's see what they have in the electronics section. Anything good? Some printers, bunch of printers. Not looking for a printer right now. What is this? Oh, a foldable iron. Don't need an iron. All right, I see a whole bunch of Beanie Boos. Beanie Boos are usually much better than Beanie Babies. They're the ones with these big ol' eyes right here. And Big Lots, or Ocean State Job Lot, I think. No, Big Lots is what's going out of business. But a bunch of these have Ocean State Job Lot prices on them for $5.99. But Goodwill priced them at $4 and green is half off, so they're only $2. They're all brand new. I would have to use a little heat gun on this to make it so the glue melts and then I could peel it right off really easily. But these are all brand new, no scratches on the eyes or anything like that. That's what people keep an eye out for, making sure the eyes are in great shape. And like this one right here, it's $2. I think it's selling for 20, maybe a little bit more. So we'll grab that. I think this guy was like 15 or 16. We'll grab him. His eyes actually look a little derpy, but that's fine. So what I'm gonna do is basically go through here and scan them all and see which ones are worth it or not. I'm gonna have to go grab another cart though and start loading it up with Beanie Boos. I just noticed there's a whole bunch more down here. Man, there's a lot of them. It's pretty cool for $2 each. All right, guys, the cart is jam-packed. I mean, this whole thing is overflowing. We got a lot right here. Beanie Babies galore. Beanie Boos, actually. I still had to leave a lot behind that just weren't worth it. But at $2 each, I mean, maybe for Whatnot or something, you start each one at 3 to 5. I don't know, because some in here are really cool. They just don't have Amazon listings. So, you know, they might go for 10, 20 bucks. But I'm not going to look at each one individually up on eBay. I've been here a while counting all or scanning all of these in. But I feel like some of these would do really, really well on eBay or Whatnot, even at $3-4 each, right? You're only paying 2. You can make a little bit of money, get somebody else gets Beanie Boo for a great price. I don't know. Should I do it? No, I'm not going to do it. That's crazy. But I still got all of this, so very stoked about it. All right, this really puts it into perspective how many I got. This is absolutely crazy, but I'll take it. Oh, I also got a CD that was worth it. Look at that. Now that's what I call Christmas. It was worth it at $1. Oh, $1.99. Still worth it. Brand new sealed. I love it. And we got the board games from Ashley. I've been scanning these for so long, guys. You have no idea. Because you have to peel back each one of these little tags. There we go, to scan it. Some of them are a little stuck together, so it's just, it takes a little while. But I'm super happy about this. What a great find. Now I want to introduce you to all of my new friends because they're going to make me a good amount of money. And first guy here we have is Trickster. And I'll pop the prices up here on the screen so we'll have a running tally going. Owlette. Austin. Neve. Mumford. I like that name. Buckley. Looks like he took a baseball bat to the face there, but, you know, still worth some money. Victor. Slaybell. Pinalope. Cody. Ramsey. Licorice. Fiona. Hambone. Sissy. Gigi. Olivia. Godfrey. Newman. Moonlight. Oki. Fisher. Kiki. Sophie. That's my dog's name. Chewy. Mortimer. Pixie. Zuzu. Godfrey number 2. Buff. Tiggy. Dusty. Rory. Hugo. Luther. Ophelia. Hambone, I think number 2. Ari. Crumble. Trunkles. Ookie. Nightcap. Spinderella. Slush. Rosette. Phoenix. Hooli. Blinky. Howladays. Sunset. Garland. Opal. Charlotte. Fergus. Muddles. Ethel. Morgan. Morticia. Batrick. Wuzzy. Cheer. Nolan. Meadow. And the final one, Carly. And take a look at this. Holy cow. Yep, we have a mountain of Beanie Babies. What a fun buy.